Where are you? There you are.
Oh, there you're recording, bro.
Yeah. And that's full zoom.
Look at it, man. It's just weird, isn't it?
That's fucking freaky, bruh.
And it started, and it was over this side of that tree, remember?
Yeah.
I just wanted to like fly off so I can see it.
Well, we saw one night, and it did, yeah, and it took off right up to the sky.
It's moved back this way.
No, it's over to the right now.
Getting harder looking at it now, isn't it?
It is, it's going further away. It's like it's going...
Oh, I've got it, mate. No dot, don't worry. If it takes off.
Just weird.
And did you see it? It looked like it was circling, like it was going around. Like a...
I can smell that gas again.
It's slowly moving, man. Oh.
I think it just moved
Why
down.
is that?
Oh, it might not just be done tight enough, that's all.
Here it comes, starting hooking back to the left
It
again,
is,
brah.
it's weird, eh?
Did you see that?
Yeah. That might not be big enough.
Oh, I don't know, that's all I found.
No, that's the one I'll just put there. I've got a big one in the boot. Yeah, check that out, brah. It's going to the right, man.
It's weird, eh?
That's dead set moving, eh?
Can't see it anymore.
It's about to go behind the power lines, brah. Or these twigs or whatever.
I can see it.
I can
Here it
see
goes, it's going behind the lines and locking my camera.
I can see it real clear here.
Hey, John, is this lever here for your boot?
Yeah, you got to have the keys though.
When we could first see it, it looked sort of closer, eh, didn't it?
Oh, look at that there. It just lit up, brah, a little bit.
Whoa, shit.
Where's she? Make sure she's alright. There it is.
She's fine. Can you actually see it on your video?
Yeah.
It's the weirdest thing, isn't it?
It's starting to go up now a little bit.
Yeah.
That's no plane, I can tell you that right now. The only time I've seen something like that was that day with Anthony and Marsden in the car.
But we saw it heaps close, eh?
It's fading, it's starting to fade.
It is, isn't it?
It's starting to go.
It's like almost...
She's out
Hard
here.
for me to see it now.
Yeah, look.
It glows red, bro. Oh, Carolina. Oh, there it is. Definitely no cloud. No, that's going there. Okay.
Yeah, I can just see it, man.
Oh, yeah, I can see it now. You hold this.